The Toma token is moving all the way to the upside. Look at it right here. Market is moving upward. And if you remember, in my immediate last video, look at it right at this very point. I talk about Toma pump coming, and that is exact same thing that we are seeing on the price chart right now. The market is moving all the way to the upside. Will this price pump that we are seeing in the market right now continue all the way to the upside? And also, if you look at the TOMARKET announcement page, we have this very announcement, which is very, very important to all of us right now. If you read this, the claim deadline of the Toma token is on the 3rd January 2025 at 18 UTC. All of this and more in this very video. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you come to the Toma token right here, this very pump, I talk about this very pump that was in my immediate last video, and that is exact same thing we see right here. And I said that the market is going to pump all the way to the upside, especially because of the mechanism that the Toma team have put in place, and that is the buyback mechanism. And this buyback mechanism will reduce the circulating supply, therefore, which will also increase the price of the token all the way to the upside. There are several parameters that can help a particular token move all the way to the upside in price and give that very huge pump in the market, and that is exactly something we are seeing on the Toma token right now. So I am expecting that this very price pump should continue. Okay, this movement, I'm on the 4-hour chart right here, Toma USDT on trading view. If you look at market move from this very area right at this point upward, market should retrace at the moment. Then after retracement, continuation, creation of a new high, and market is going to continue in this formation from this very moment onward. I'm not expecting Toma to go below the all-time low after listing. Look at the all-time low after listing right at this very point. I'm not expecting the market to go below this very zone of important support anymore. Market have that possibility, but for me, this is not what I'm expecting right now because of this significant pump that we see in the market right here. Market retracement continuation is what you should be expecting right now on your price chart, especially if you are holding this token into 2025 in the heat of the bull market. And if you look at this very stochastic RSI indicator, it discovered that the indicator is pointing downward. Look at it right here. Market is pointing downward, which means retracement should come in according to the momentum of this indicator right now. And then after this very movement downward into the oversold condition at this very area, market is going to begin to continue again upwards. So what you should be paying attention to right now is this very retracement. And at the end of this retracement, market is going to definitely continue upward. So markets on the stochastic RSI indicator is going to come into the oversold condition, and then from the oversold condition right here, market is going to begin to move upward. And as at that time, out of the oversold condition, market is going to continue from here upward, and that is what we need to pay attention to right now. If you also look at the MACD indicator, you discover that the MACD indicator is already at the positive side of the MACD, which means momentum is shifting to the bulls. And if momentum is shifting to the bulls, it means that market have that capability of moving all the way to the upside, especially as we enter 2025. And this is what we need to pay attention to right now. So even though we see a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line right here, it also means that the market can come back down a little bit. Possible formation of histogram on the negative side of the MACD, which is a possibility, but that does not mean that the market is going to crash back all the way to the downside, in my opinion, and from what I am seeing on this very price chart. I am expecting that the market should move downward a little bit and then continuation all the way to the upside, which is very, very important. If you look at the 1-day chart, the market have high capability of moving all the way to the upside. Look at it right here. Market pump, and then we have this retracement. And if you notice, this retracement is about 50% of this pump from this very area to this very area. So 50% is at this very point, okay? So about 50% retracement, which is a good retracement before this very pump we are seeing right now, which I've been talking about on this channel. That means market have capability of this continuation all the way to the upside and create a new close. We have the previous close on the chart right at this very point, which means if this market move upward and form a new close, it means that the market have that high possibility again of moving all the way to the upside, creating new highs. And that is what I am expecting personally right now. So expect the market on the 1-day chart, on the long term, to move all the way from where it is right now upward, creating a new close. Then retracement will come into the market on the 1-day chart, and then continuation upward is going to continue into the heat of the bull market in 2025. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now if you are holding the Toma token, because this is going to give you a clue on how to begin to sell off your portfolio gradually into 2025. And this is a very important thing you must have to pay attention to if you are holding this very token right now. Important information on the Toma announcement page. Look at it right at this very point. Important announcement: final call to claim your airdrop tokens. This is a final call for you to claim your token. So if your token is still on the Toma mini app on Telegram, please claim your token right now, either to gate.io or to BitGet. This is very important. Their TOMARKET community, there have been 3 main ways we have distributed Toma to our users. The first one is the weekly airdrops. The second one is the TGE season airdrop, which happened on the 31st October 2024. And the last one, which is the third one, is listing season airdrop, which happened on the December 19, 2024. As we move into a new phase of TOMARKET, these features will be removed. To ensure everyone has a chance to claim their tokens, we are offering a final claim window. So this is a final claim window, and the deadline is 3rd January 2025 by 18 UTC. Please ensure you claim your airdrop. This means that you have 7 full days to quickly claim all your unclaimed token. Treat it as urgent as possible. And if you know anyone, maybe your friend or part of this very community, please tell them to claim their Toma token, because this information have lasted for over 3 days now, remaining 4 days to go for this very claim to close. And if you don't claim your token and your token is still there, that means your token will be taken back by the community if you read this very statement very well. Okay, so this is very important. Please claim your token before this very claim date will end. And this is very important to all of us right now that participated in this very airdrop and you've not claimed your token. The most important thing is that the Toma token is going to move all the way to the upside from where we are seeing the price right now, creating a new high, and market is going to continue in this formation into 2025, especially in the heat of the bull market. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment, join right now. It is a free channel. Watch my video on the best crypto narrative to invest in this very bull market. Watch this video right here. It's going to help you a lot. And if you want to learn how to trade crypto from beginner to advanced, check this video out. It's going to help you as well. Thanks for supporting this channel.